Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, welcome to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. I hope that you are enjoying fullest of health and peace. Now friends, let's move towards our video. You are going to see very beautiful, trendy, stylish and amazing ideas of 3D, 5D, 7D concept based thick wool, hand art, wool embroidery, designing ideas onto handmade, hand knitted cardigans, crochet sweaters, crochet ponchos and crochet front open jerseys and upper tops as well. So the entire collection is not only focused for girls, women, teenagers, office going, school going as well, but the entire pattern of today's design ideas, the basic purpose and video collection is totally based on very beautiful patterns and trendy stylized ideas of young girls and baby girls as well. So you will not only look classy, trendy and stylish throughout the summer season, but your babies will also look amazing and trendy at the same time. So if you like the design ideas, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content. And stay tuned for upcoming more videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.